What's the meaning of coax? Coax. Coax.
Coax. Coax. The word coax can have a few different meanings, but its general sense is to persuade or influence someone to do something. When you coax someone, you are trying to gently convince them to take a certain action or adopt a particular point of view. This could involve using flattery, humor, or other techniques to make the person feel more comfortable with your ideas. The end result of coaxing someone is often that they will be more willing to go along with your wishes, even if they were initially hesitant or resistant.